When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare eggless plum cake. I am going to prepare in non-stick pan. So come on, let's get started and check out the process. Take one bowl, add half cup of red colored tutti frutti. In the same way, add green colored tutti frutti. Add orange colored tutti frutti. Add chopped cherries. Add chopped cashew nuts, almonds. Add raisins. Combine everything. Now add 1 glass of orange juice and soak it for 1 hour. Take one pan, add half cup of sugar. Now start preparing caramelized sugar. Once sugar turns into caramelized sugar, now add 1 cup of hot water. Mix it well and transfer this caramelized sauce into a bowl. Keep it aside. Now take one bowl, add 1 cup of milk. Add 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Add cinnamon stick and nutmeg powder. Add dry ginger powder. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half cup of sugar powder. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add half tablespoon of baking soda. Add half tablespoon of baking powder. Combine everything with the help of the whisker. Now add prepared caramelized sauce into this and give a good mix. Now add soaked nuts into this. Mix everything properly. After mixing, add few drops of vinegar. Now mix everything. Now take one cake tray, apply butter and drop this mixture into this. On top of the cake mixture, add dry fruits. For baking, take 1 cup of salt, add in a pan. Close with lid and preheat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place the cake stand and keep cake tray into this. Bake for 30 to 45 minutes on low flame. After 30 minutes, check with toothpick whether cake was baked or not. If it done, switch off the flame. That's all, eggless plum cake was ready. Try this simple cake and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare nallakaram. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shivana's recipes and click on the bell icon.